Today I'm going to show you step by step how you can use some platforms in order to get paid some good money online. You can set it up from anywhere in the world and also for absolutely free. So if you're interested to make it work, make sure to keep watching because you can achieve the desired results. And stay tuned because I'll also show you bonus at the end of the video so you can maximize your earnings and make money in passive income. But just before we get to the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. The first thing that you need to do is to come over to this website called Userlytics, and this is over at userlytics.com. Since I know most of you haven't heard about this site before, let me explain to you what this is about. This is a testing platform and it works as follows. Let's say there is a new app that has been released. What the publishers will do to make sure the app is bug-free and works exactly as intended is to come to Userlytics or some other similar platform and pay them to test the app out, and once testing is done, Userlytics will send the data back to their customers. In this fashion, the publishers can now correct and fix any issues if they have been found, as well as optimize the app or website to make it better looking and more user-friendly. But how can this site make us money? Well, there is the thing. Userlytics needs people to test out the apps and websites, and they are willing to pay people a lot of money actually, and you'll be one of those people. So in order to become a tester, you just need to come over to userlytics.com to their official website and then scroll all the way down till the bottom of this page. After that, under the Userlytics section, you need to click here on Be Paid to Participate. And it's going to take you over to this page, and you're going to see that you're going to get paid to test websites and apps. You need to register and then you're going to earn money. You can interact with a web or mobile app, and the best part is that you're going to get paid via PayPal. Right here you're going to see also how much money you're going to make. And you're going to get paid $5, $10, $15 or $20 per each test project. Or you can get paid even more as $90. So there is a lot of money to be made with this website, and all you need to do is to just put your email address here, then confirm that you are older than 16 years old, then agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then you need to click on sign up. After that, they'll send you an email and you need to click that verification link so you can be able to log into your brand new account. And then all you need to do is to put a first name, last name, then you're going to select your country here, and you're going to see that it is available worldwide as I promised in the intro of the video. Then you're just going to put a date of birth, your PayPal email address, select your gender, put a password, repeat the password, and then click on submit here. After that, you'll be able to become a tester and start earning money, and you can get paid up to $90 per each test that you do. The second website that I'm going to share with you today, guys, because as I promised I'm going to give you some multiple platforms, is this one here. This is called Userfield, and it's over at userfield.com. This website is similar to the first one that I showed you. On here, publishers come to pay them in order to conduct some tests, and then Userfield is going to pay testers to do those tests. So you're going to be a tester as well on here. And something that I want to mention about this website is that there are over 140,000 of testers and more than 500 happy clients. So another feature that I want to mention about this website is that their panel consists of more than 40 languages, so you can test any site in any language, and testers can provide comments in the language that the publisher wants. And also, let's see how much money you're going to make with it, and you can become a tester and earn $10 per each test, and each test lasts like 10 to 20 minutes. So for just 10 minutes of work, you can earn $8. So if you scroll down, you're going to see some things that you require to do while becoming a tester. You're going to see that you don't need to buy any product or services from the websites that you're going to test. You're going to need like a Windows or Mac computer and also a microphone. You don't need to use your real name when conducting a test. And here it is also about the language. You can speak in the language of the test. You're going to be sent a native language test and also the other language test that you have set as fluently spoken in your profile, because while you're going to set up your profile, you're going to put the languages that you are fluent in and also your native language. And down here you also need to see some things that you don't need to do while becoming a tester. So in order to start becoming a tester, you can click here on create user tests, and after that here you're going to put some information about you, such as your first name, last name, your email address, confirm the email address. Here you're going to select your country of residence and you're going to see that it's available worldwide. After that you're going to select your year of birth, password, confirm the password, choose a payment method, which is going to be PayPal, and then some demographic information about you, such as your gender, the language that you speak, your native languages, family status, children status, and so on. Here you're going to select the devices that you have available for testing and also some other demographic data which are optional. After that you're going to accept the terms of use and privacy policy and click here on apply for tester. Like this, you're going to apply to become a tester on user field, and when you get accepted, you're going to start testing and earn like $10 per 10 minutes of work. And now it's time for me to show you the bonus platform that I mentioned at the beginning of this video, and it's this one right here called honeygain.com. With Honeygain, you can make passive income effortlessly. You can make money by simply sharing your internet. And don't worry, because they will not steal any of your data. As you can see here, you can earn without compromising security. They ensure you that your internet traffic will be used by trusted partners, and the app will never ask for access to your storage of their device. And then you're going to easily earn some passive income, and you're going to know exactly what your internet is used for, so you don't worry about your data and about your security. Here you're going to see how much money you can make with it. It depends on how much traffic you share and how much devices you have connected and so on. It is not a lot, but still you're going to make some passive income without doing anything at all. So this is over at honeygain.com. You can download for Windows by clicking in this button here. You're going to even have a dashboard on your own, and you're going to see right here that Honeygain has a lot of good reviews over at Trustpilot, so you can check them out also by yourself. This shows that how legit this platform is. With all of that said, this is it for today's video. I really hope you like this strategy, guys, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, Lady Nemia's World. Thank you for watching.